Ikomishoni yonyulo ezimelyo ithi ixolile ngendlela oluqhube ngalo unyulo lovalo zikhewu kulo lonke eli.
We've recorded a 28% voter turnout for the by-elections. In all the 24 wards, most parties have retained their seats. There have been, however, a number of seats that have changed. In the Bushbuck Ridge area, the Bushbuck Ridge Resident Association has lost 3 seats that have been gained by the ANC. Similarly, in the Overstrand area in the Western Cape, the ANC has lost a seat to the Land Party, and in Oudtshoorn, the DA has conceded 2 wards to the ANC in the by-elections.
Uye wacaciswa nomba wabantu abangenazo idilesi ukuba nabo banelungelo lokuvota.
So a person without an address will provide a description of where they ordinarily reside. We will capture that as in their address and they'll be entitled to vote.
Ikomishoni ithi izaziqwalasela izihlalo ze-EFF zokukhutshwa ngechovo kwamalungu alombutho kwizikhululo zokuvota eLdorodo Park eGauteng.
We have noted that incident, but would rather do a thorough investigation and issue a public statement once we have looked at all the issues. For now, we have noted the incident, we acknowledge that it did indeed take place, and we are dealing with it.
Yayisithi iza kuqhubela phambili nokusingatha unyulo olukhululekileyo nolungenamkhethe.